everyone, Cory Metts here today to tell you a little bit about land, and I have brought my friend David Yantz to tell you a little bit about the financing associated with that. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead.
Right.
David, can you tell us a little bit about a land loan? Is it the exact same thing as a mortgage?
The quick answer is yes. You have a loan, you have a payment, down payment, but essentially it's a different product. We're looking at something that's a unique property versus a single family home, which those are sold a lot more quickly. So,
awesome. What are some of the key differences there?
You know, in a lot loan from a banking perspective, something that your buyers should be aware of is we're looking for more money down because, again, that speaks to the risk involved. And the interest rate is usually a little bit higher. We like to build a little bit more risk and a little bit more interest rate because of that. So we're looking for typically 20 to 25% down, and you can bet that it'll be 1% higher than your typical single family purchase.
Also, and so what if someone down the road is going to build their dream home?
If someone's going to, you know, find a piece of land and they want to build their dream home, they've got to be prepared for that down payment, of course. But there are ways that we can, what we do, cross-collateralize, which is using a different piece of property to help with the funding, because in some cases 25% down is a pretty large sum. So there are a lot of different products that we can offer to help with that. So,
great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming out and telling us a little bit more about those land loans. If y'all have any questions for myself or David, both of our contact information is below, so please see that.